Hi everyone, and welcome to the Primitive Lifeways YouTube channel. In today's video we will be working with an S-shaped stick or a fending stick. Now believe it or not, this throwing stick can reach up to distances of 80 meters. It's quite amazing. So stick around, I'll be right back with you. Okay, so what you're looking at is Ben's newest product from Throwsticks.com in collaboration with primitive skills enthusiast Matt Graham. Many of you have seen Matt either on Discovery Channel or might have worked with him at Winter Count and Rabbit Stick, Primitive Skills gatherings. Both of them, both Ben and Matt, have been doing some amazing collaboration work, which is the result of this product here. So this was originally formulated and redesigned after a petroglyph or rock art panel in the American Southwest. We refer to these as fending sticks or S-shaped sticks. They were used in the Puebloan Anasazi world and predominantly used in the Basket Maker II era, which is a post-archaic era from about 1500 BC to around AD 50. So around AD 500, these S-shaped sticks change quite a bit, which I'll get into here in just a bit. As corn or maize agriculture really starts to develop and take off around AD or 500 BC, excuse me, around 500 BC, we see complete dependence and reliance in the Pueblo and Anasazi world within maize and developed agriculture. So early on, these sticks were very flat in nature, and they had very interesting wear patterns. So in 1921, it was proposed that these were used to fend away atlatl darts when they were thrown at another person. So they were used almost as a shield to deflect the atlatl dart away from the target. So quite interesting. And recent testing has gone into that hypothesis. Justin Garnett from Basket Maker Atlatl has done amazing research. I highly recommend checking out the article and the fascinating results. I'll go ahead and post a link in the description box of this video. So again, early on, we're talking about a very flat stick, flat S-shaped stick or fending stick. It's my belief that they were used as a multi-tool, probably used to fend away atlatl darts and used to throw as a hunting tool. As time progressed, again, agriculture keeps developing. We see changes to this stick, and it really becomes a true rabbit stick. And it's still used today by the Puebloan Anasazi descendants, which are recognized as the Hopi people of our modern time. So quite a long history within this stick. This one throws about 80 meters, which is quite the distance. And I want to show you how well it performs right now, and we'll run our own experiments. Right where we're about to throw, Aquarius Orange, local Prescott ware, and Ho Ho Calm. Take a look at that, red on buff. Pre-classic period Santa Cruz phase. Very nice.